again, welcome back. All I'm going to do here now is to provide you with some information as to the famous people that produced and developed the electrical engineering as we know it for today. Here we have a brief history, and we have Benjamin Franklin. Again, he was quite renowned. Now do a bit of research for yourself on this gentleman, because you'll find that he did a lot of work as well, okay? And quite a few other things. Alessandro Volta, okay? And you have Michael Faraday, okay? Again, do additional research, get to know these guys. They provided a lot of information and knowledge in their area of expertise. Thomas Edison, okay? Look at the work. There's a lot of information on these guys, especially Tesla, okay? As you would be familiar today that Tesla factory produces the electric cars. Okay, that'll be it for now. Thank you. I hope you find this information useful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.